Welcome back. This is the Transgender Gamer Morgan Shadow, and this is part 2 of the Hydo Thunder Hurricane. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I did 3 of these races here: the regular race, Ringmaster, and Gauntlet. And we had just unlocked Championship, and I told you guys you had to wait. I bet you didn't want to. You didn't like it, did you? No, you didn't. But here we are again with a new video. And we're going to jump right into Championship. Here we do have the milk run. We have to get that milk all the way to... Excuse me there. Sneeze snuck up on me. We have to get the Moo Moo milk to Link so he can take on Ganondorf and be transformed back to a kid and have his entire life rewound for nothing. Get the novice difficulty. Now we're gonna go back to the dam of the torpedoes, those bloody torpedoes, toe up skin, novice, and go. Round 1 of 2, Lake Powell Ringmaster, part of the Championship Moo Moo Milk Run. Those names are funny. Except for Velvet Hammer. That one makes me think he's gonna hit me with a purple hammer. I don't like that. So here we go. Hingard is gonna try to kill me again. Then scare me, thinking I'm gonna... Oh, my boat just transformed. Here we go, speeding through the cones. I mean the rings, because they're not cones. The World War II bombers are trying to kill me again. Try to get this done a little faster than last time. If we can do that, that'll be lovely. I almost power sliding there with a boat. I don't know if you can do that in a boat. I know the other section with the basically bumper card against the walls. We're gonna have to slow down for that one. Ooh, I still hit that one. Cool. I thought I missed it. No, this is awesome. I'm crazy. Because that's why I'm driving and you're just giving me directions. Let's switch spots, then we'll see it. If you still think it's crazy or not. Alright, here we go. Slow down a little bit here. And we'll resume the speed. I'm not paying for that damage bill. Aichi Mama? Who the hell says that? This is... Oh! Missed one. That's okay. I'm still in this. No, we don't want to do that. Here's round 2. Storming Asgard. Regular race. Still on the Moo Moo Milk Run. 2 of 2 now. Here we go! Let's hope a tsunami doesn't rush through this. Nice, lovely storming in the background. I think I hear a German guy yelling at me. Maybe he's a little angry, I don't know. No, but I did. I signed up for it because I thought it would be fun. It's kind of fun. Don't like the icicles though. Oh, I missed that jump. Yes, we got the big boost. Let's use it to get ahead. More boost. Still boosting. Jump. Yay, we got it. Lovely 4x boost there. Using it all the way down because I'm a boss. Just killed the Vikings there. Oh, that wasn't cool. Didn't know you could do that. I thought only the barrels of destruction could kill you. Apparently I was wrong. And I severely paid the price for that. Oh! Why did I jump? Excuse me, friend, but I have to get past you. You know what's crazy? Is that I just took first place! Oh, fudge. It's okay. Still in first place. Didn't lose too much. And first place! I do too. It smells like crispy, lovely bacon. And eggs in the morning. With some gravy-covered muffins. Yes, I said muffins. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, so we just completed the Moo Moo Milk run. Link has his milk and he's going to get transformed back to a kid because the game hates him. We got the gold trophy. We can put that in between our silver trophies on a little mantle fireplace there. And we unlocked one of my favorite boats. The Misbehave, although we're not going to behave our way because we're bad people. Unfortunately, as the game is telling me there, it is only available in the full game. No, I can keep it if I unlock the game, but I don't really want to buy the game right now. I couldn't anyway, I don't have internet. Monster Island is only available in the full game too, which sucks. I was hoping to play that one. But that's fine because we still have other stuff we can do. We now have Storming Asgard on a regular racetrack. And we could do that just to put a personal best on the race there if we wanted to. Or we can go to Ringmaster and do it again there. But that'll be for another time. This has been a transgendered game. I am Morgan Shadow, and have a trans-fabulous day.